Not used you in a while. There we go. Right, I started vlogging on this channel for one reason only. To get out the house. I had PTSD, it was my way of getting out. Getting out, just focus, talking to the camera, talking to the lens, talking to you guys. That's what got me out of the house. Other than hair. But a lot of people, like, what do I need to start vlogging? Well, one of the things you need, well, you've always got it on you anyway, especially these days. I know it's not the cat. It's your phone. Now, I originally first started vlogging, trying to vlog at least anyway, on a Galaxy Core Prime, and the back camera release was absolutely rubbish and appalling. I'm sure I've got footage of it somewhere. If I can't find it, I'm sorry. Then I got this camera. This is a Canon Ligera camcorder. You don't need to buy a big DSLR. You can buy a camcorder and it will do you just well. But relatively in the same frame of mind as, like I say, Canon G7X. It's like that. This is what I'm using right now to film this part of the video. But normally, when I'm out and about, it's always this. I'm currently trying to upgrade this a bit. Camera on the Pixel 3, absolutely amazing, don't get me wrong. But the sound audio, it's good. But it's a dynamic. I'm not the best with audio specs and everything. It picks up all the noise around it, so if I'm out in the wind or something like that, it sounds absolutely awful. But time for an upgrade. You see, a lot of time people normally start out vlogging like this and just recording like so. And ideally this is all you need really to go out and make a vlog. This is the beginner's setup basically, but I want to upgrade to the intermediate one. See, I used to start off with, well, a gorilla pod of some description, cheap phone grip from a pound shop. It's just a cheap springy thing. Make sure you get the ones with the actual grips here to actually protect your phone, and then you screw this on pretty much like so. When it wants to tighten up, and there you go, Bob's your uncle. You've now got a bit more reach, a bit more width to play with, unless you've on something with a super wide. And you can also get lens mounts, lens clips, which will clip onto your lens, onto the back or onto the front of your camera, and then it will be a bit more wider. But some of those, if you want a really good one, can be a couple of £100, and that's not cheap. The audio on this thing is good, it's not the best. And I've been wanting to upgrade the audio on my phone, my vlogging, for absolutely ages. So, let's go and unbox the Joby Wavo and the new phone grip. Then set up the whole new system. The Joby Wavo has been out for about a month now. And I've not actually seen any reviews. I've seen one review and that's what sold me on it. It's basically, as you can tell from the box, if you're looking at a microphone for your camera or your phone, you've been pretty much looking at the Rode Video Micro. And this is pretty much Joby's own version of it. Fun fact, the Royal Cut shock absorber, Joby actually licensed it out to Rode for them to use and for everyone else to pretty much copy. But yeah, box is pretty much a quick, use it guide, stuff like that. We have the windshield, the microphone itself. This is a super cardioid, so it's meant to be tighter on the back, yet more to pick up your voice at the front. So it's definitely like in a crowd or something, it's meant to pinpoint on your voice and make it more bigger, pick it up so people can hear it. And one of the reasons why I went for this over the Video Micro Rode is you have to buy a separate cable. This is the cable, the Trs cable that you use to put onto your DSLR. I do not have a DSLR, so but this is the cable I need. It's the Trs cable, which with the 3 prongs it's the 3 prongs here which you need, because left, right, microphone, or one of them in that specific order, specifically for your phone. So clearly this end into the microphone, and there we have it. So it's got a cold shoe mount, so you just mount it onto any camera with a hot shoe. It'll work regardless as it's powered by the camera or your phone. And it's got one of the smaller standard screw sizes, so you can just screw it into a tripod, like say. I take that off, it will quite happily screw onto there if I needed it to be. But you need, I'm going to point this out here because many people probably will, you are going to need a adapter if you are using, say, USB-C, which I am, or Lightning. You are going to need an adapter, which I've left inside. You will need this. Well, this sun, I'm doing it in the garden because there's no room for me to do it in the house. You will need this. This is a USB-C to 3.5 jack adapter. You will need this, or a Lightning one if you're on an iPhone. So you will need this. To which, if you've got a headphone jack, you won't need this. Obviously, plugs into that. To which, in turn, plugs into your phone. But come on, you can't really have this dangling like this, can you? Not at all. So I had to buy a new phone grip because that doesn't have a cold shoe plate and this doesn't have a cold shoe plate. I can't even replace the head on this because unless I had a workshop and did it, which is annoying because this one has a Bluetooth receiver, so I can just press and go whenever I need to. But luckily this gets removed. Aha! Thankfully I also bought a new phone grip as well. Newer. This is also an I got both of these things on Amazon. Fun fact, if you want this, it's £70 everywhere else, but if you get it on Amazon, link in the description down below, you can get it for £35. Pretty much more than half price off. I would highly recommend grabbing it while you can. But yeah, I had to go and buy a new mount for my phone. So the F mount, this is from Newer, but Newer Professional Smartphone, no, that's just a sticker. This just says F mount. There's numerous copies of this mount out there on Amazon or eBay or wherever. This is just pretty much it's also like a handheld grip. You can like grip it like this, but the reason I went for one of these is other than the cold shoe mount, it's got a spirit level, so I can tell when things are level or not. It's got a screw mount on the top, so you can attach things to the top of there. The grip itself, you can actually attach the grip there to something, like to the tripod or grill pot. You can unscrew that. You can keep this if you need to. Which I actually might actually keep this. And then like so. I completely forgot to tie that to it, I'll do that later. Like this you unscrew to get your phone high. It's not a spring loaded one like you would expect. That should be tall enough for my Pixel. It's not. I'm an idiot. Also remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And so once you've done that, then it's just a case of slot that on there into the cold shoe mount and screw it down to tighten it. And there we go. New vlog setup. There we go, we're all set up, dusted, recording. How do I sound? Do I sound good? Do I sound better? This should just be purely picking up my voice and lessen the noise around me, especially behind. But hopefully this sounds a whole lot better. It's a little bit squiff that I can see right now. But the spirit level on this phone is great. I can actually keep an eye on if my phone is level or not. Like right now I'm level. But there we go. And that's the new microphone, guys. Does it sound good? You've all heard it before. This is the wind noise with it. Light wind now, so you shouldn't be picking up any wind whatsoever with it. So hopefully, there we go, done and dusted. You can point this the other direction if you want, if you're recording a subject or something like this, but I normally vlog using the front camera, so I am going to have it pointing towards me backwards. But that's it. You should. I am so stupid. I just realised I did all that and I haven't even done a real well test. Let's go and test this baby out, shall we? Right, so this is basically pretty much as far as I would be from the microphone normally, and this is the audio test here. Now I am washed out the hell because it's sunset, but I'm not here for visual, I'm here for audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take steps further back and see how the microphone does pretty much from where I am, really. I just realised I'm shouting like I normally do when I'm using the phone internal microphone, but I don't think I need to now. So I can rest my voice a bit more and be a bit better with it. Also, I got a new jacket a while back. I've been meaning to ask you guys' opinion on it. What do you think? Cool, right? Anyway, this is from, well, relatively a little bit more than arm's length. This is from here. How does this sound? Can you hear me now? How's this? Do I sound awesome? Do I? I've got an idea. Let's go play in traffic. By the way, when I said this was a vast empty area I was in, I wasn't kidding. This is a vast open space. Now, I've got traffic coming both ways right now. Got oncoming traffic coming from here, and I've got outgoing traffic from the other direction. But the microphone should really just be able to pick me up. But like, you're gonna focus? Come on, focus on me, there we go. And so you should be able to hear all that, but like I said, it's meant to be tighter on the back, so if I go around the back, I'll probably talk a little bit like this. As this red and white car is going past me, you guys really shouldn't be able to hear me all that well, as compared to me being, well, around here. How does it sound? I won't know until I go to post. Let me know in the comments. Now, the cables that came with it, as you saw, they looked quite rugged, and from my perspective right now, they're not really moving all that much. So, let's have a bit of a bounce around. Can you guys hear it bouncing? The shock absorber should be going. Stable immobilization isn't, but this should work. Just prancing around the park like a dick. Now, why did I choose this microphone over the road? Well, minus the fact it was half the price on Amazon, and it's brand new. I want to try it, but the selling point for me is, as I was planning on doing before all this happened, was I was planning on going to theme parks and everything in a crowded environment. I wanted a microphone that would probably pick me up perfectly well and fine in the crowded areas. Now, I'm not going to be able to test that. Maybe if I need to go buy essential shopping, maybe I can test it out if I take this with me, if I'm even allowed in with it. But until then, I'm not really going to be able to test it. Because that's something I want to do when this is all over and done. I want to buy an annual pass to theme parks and go around all of them and places in London. As you see me go around the Tower of London, I want to finish that off. That's why I bought this microphone, so it will pick me up in those type of places. But can't go and try any of that out until this is said and done. So trying my best to test it out the best I can. And hopefully I've sold you guys on it for £35 on Amazon. It might be a pricing error, but snap it up while you can. I have an affiliate link down below to everything I've used here, including my phone. The grip, the tripod, the microphone, and I'll also include the dongle as well as a lightning dongle and maybe USB-C one as well, just to be on the safe side. All those are in the links down below. Let me know what you guys thought. Are you going to pick one of these up for like pretty much the same reason I did, the Joby guy on the tutorial did say, this is a con I find, you know, this microphone is that small you could put it in a pocket. Upon handling this thing, I won't be putting it in a pocket. No, it won't even probably fit in my pocket. I wear tight jeans. I'm a fat guy in tight jeans. Turn off. But yeah, I won't put it in a pocket. That's the only con I can find so far for this microphone. I won't put it in a pocket. That's it. That's it. Go check links down below. Get one yourself.